My countryside. My countryside is very beautiful and peaceful. There are many green rice fields around my home. The fields look fresh and bright under the sun. In my countryside, there are many palm trees and coconut trees. They are tall and give nice shade. There are also sunflowers near the road. They are yellow and look very happy in the sunshine. My house is made of wood. It is small, but very nice. The house is on stilts, so the air can go under it. In front of the house, there is a small garden. We grow vegetables there. The vegetables are green and healthy. The road near my house is small and quiet. It goes through the rice fields and gardens. When I walk on the road, I can feel the wind and hear the birds singing. Life in the countryside is simple. People are kind and friendly. Every morning we see the sunrise, and every evening we see the sunset. It is a happy and calm life. I love my countryside very much because it is my home.